Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of the Christmas series, and today I'm going to be cleaning my room to prep for the Christmas holidays. And as you can see, I already have my tree up, so watch the video to see that. And in the next video, I'll be decorating my room and you'll see these ornaments. So if you want to see the next video, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump into the video. The balls are the ammo that you throw at the players to get them out, and then you can attach it to your hip while you're running to steal the item.
So you started cleaning the room, and then now you're in your bed. Telling me you're taking a break, right? You don't have to cover your head. Well, when are you going to finish cleaning? You started cleaning and then now you're taking a break, and then you messed up all these things in the room. Look at all those clothes on the floor. You said that you're going to sort those clothes. You're gonna roll them up, but are these gonna be fit in the drawer? Is that one drawer or two drawers of clothes? That can fit in one drawer. They too much. And I think there's a lot of clothes that are too small for you. You have to get rid of.
Well, I guess it's a sorting. I'm putting on my leggings and pants in one drawer, and then my shirt in that drawer over there.
And you only did a little bit. And now you're saying you're taking a break.
I put all the pants away. And then I was starting to feel tired, so I took a break.
You took a break. Okay. I mean, you're allowed to take a break. But don't take a long break because we have to finish. Yeah, don't take a long break. We have to finish because we have lots to do to get this room in order. I guess. Are you going to do all the drawers, or are you going to do just this one?
I'm going to just do the ones on the top.
Oh, you already did this one. Did you do this one this morning? Oh, okay. Good job. Let's see this one. Oh, this one kind of messy. Yeah. Okay. Good job. Good job on that. Proud of you. This needs to be done. Okay. You just what?
I'm just gonna do the ones that have a lot. I really think I need to worry about them.
What do you mean?
Like the ones on the bottom, they don't have that much. They're not overflowing.
Yeah, but you still have to fold them up. Yeah, they still have to be folded. Yep, they still need to be folded. Yes, they need to be folded so they can be organized. So whenever you need something in there, you know, okay, I need a pants. Then you know it's a pants.
No, I'm talking about the ones on the bottom.
The drawer, the bottom one.
Yeah.
Like you mean your sleeping clothes and yeah, they still have to be folded. Yeah, they still have to be folded, Renee. Yeah, so how long is the break? After you done eating?
No, I was gonna get up and do a little more.
Okay, so okay. Alright, I'll be back.
Starlight, I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, when we were small. Someone's been here and there. The star kiss were wrong.
with the mattress.
Which way are we pushing that?
Maybe we can push it this way. Let's push it this way.
I don't know if it's gonna fit.
The neighbors come, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear the call. So baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Can we do hit that cold? When the neighbors come, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear.
What we're gonna do is go do the other side. Oh, it has the middle.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yo, we did it.
Look, this is so pretty.
It's so soft.
This side is so pretty, the one that was under the bed. And look at that one.
Ugh. That was more pink.
Yes. See?
I didn't know that it had changed color.
No, it's not because it doesn't change color. It's because this is where we've been like walking. You walk on it, it get dirty. So the one that was under the bed, it doesn't get dirty.
Oh yeah, that's how it felt the first time.
That's how it was the first time.
Yeah.
Can you? Oh my goodness.
This is big.
It is. Why?
Oh, there's so much. I don't know if that's dust.
That is dust. Okay.
Put it down.
You can put it down. Like this. I'm gonna like this.
Yeah.
Christmas night. I know you may suffer like, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can we do hit that cold? When the neighbors come, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear the call. So baby, let it snow. We're ready
carpet.
Yeah. Can never top me, bro.
Huh?
I'm top 10 loudest one. Yeah.
See, it's not pretty. Yeah, like it.
Ay.
Pull it
Take me.
towards you a little bit more.
Jenny, help lift it up. Y'all might need some help lifting it up. I got y'all.
So you're gonna take this side, I'm gonna take that side, you're gonna push the carpet.
Like last time.
You ready, Renee?
Yo, gang. Chill out.
With your foot? That's what you're like.
I put the wall. Yo,
Which one?
gang.